Hi everyone, today we're gonna add a new item to our verb inventory. Khordan, to eat and to drink. We're gonna use it first in Communication Focused Persian Unit 4 when we're talking about our eating routine, and we're gonna revisit the verb later on in Unit 18 when we're talking about food culture and nutrition. You are now very well familiar with Persian verb systems in the simple present tense. Let's have a quick review of the regular verb construction in this tense. So for Persian regular verbs, we start with me, we continue with the present stem, and we end with the personal verb endings for the affirmative form. And we add ne for negation. Now let's apply this to khordan, which is our first focus verb for Unit 4. The present stem of khordan is khor. So I eat or I drink in Persian is man mikhoram. I don't eat or I don't drink is man nemikhoram. Similarly, we have to mikhori, to nemikhori. Un mikhore, un nemikhore. ما میخوریم ما نمیخوریم شما میخورین شما نمیخورین and اونا میخورن اونا نمیخورن. Once more in Persian script. من میخورم من نمیخورم تو میخوری تو نمیخوری اون میخوره اون نمیخوره ما میخوریم ما نمیخوریم شما میخورین شما نمیخورین and اونا میخورن اونا نمیخورن. Now let's see our verb in context. If I want to say I eat breakfast at 6:30, I would say من ساعت 6:30 صبحانه میخورم. And if I want to say I don't eat breakfast late, I would say من دیر صبحانه نمیخورم. The word صبحانه in everyday speech has the alternative صبحونه. So I can also say من دیر صبحونه نمیخورم. When do you eat lunch would be تو کی نهار میخوری. And don't you eat dinner at home would be تو توی خونه شام نمیخوری. Now take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say he eats lunch at 1 o'clock. اون ساعت 1 نهار میخوره. She doesn't drink tea or coffee. اون چای یا قهوه نمیخوره. We eat breakfast really late. ما خیلی دیر صبحونه میخوریم. We don't eat lunch. ما نهار نمیخوریم. What time do you eat dinner? شما ساعت چند شام میخورین؟ Don't you drink tea and coffee? شما چای و قهوه نمیخورین؟ When and where do they eat lunch? اونا کی و کجا نهار میخورن؟ And finally, they don't eat fast food. اونا fast food نمیخورن. Perfect. Now you can use your new verb to talk about your eating habits. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.